Hey everybody, Mike DeSapoli and welcome to Ask the Advisor 66. So today I'd like to share a couple tips on how you can become a better investor. Investing is about constantly learning and sharpening the saw, so we have a couple items here today to help you forward. So tip number one, think outside the box and diversify your assets globally. Many people, due to familiarity bias, they only invest in what they know and they never look outside the United States for investment opportunities. You owe it to your money to investigate all potential opportunities, so think about diversifying globally. Number two, don't chase performance. This is a really dangerous game to play. This is like changing lanes in traffic, right? You're sitting in a lane, you feel like it's not moving, but everything around you is moving, so you move right, you move left, and as soon as you make that move, what happens? That lane stops moving and the one that you were in starts moving. Investments can be no different. Don't chase a stock just because it's in the news and just because the performance has been flying high. Have fundamental reasons for investing your capital in companies. Tip number three, you have to ask questions. Even if you feel like it may be a silly question or you're not sure if it's a good question to ask, the more questions the better, particularly if somebody is assisting you with your financial planning. You want to make sure you know what's going on, why the investments that you have are in your portfolio, and what they're expected to do during different cycles of the economy. And tip four is to stay actively involved. Even if you have an advisor or a team of advisors that you know, love, and trust, you still need to be actively involved in your financial planning process. That will help your advisors do a better job for you. As your life changes, they can modify their plan to fit your needs. And of course, if there's things going on in your recommendations or in your financial program that don't seem right, or they maybe don't seem to make sense, question it, pursue it, and make sure you get the answers that you seek. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you back next week for Ask the Advisor 67.